Natural steps of detoxification. There are many health food stores, nutritionists, and people in general who perform body detoxification methods on their body each and every day. The main reason for doing so is because they truly work, and many people find that these detox plans help them to stay healthier as well. Needless to say, there are plenty of body detoxification systems that can be used. However, one only needs to find the right method that works for them. Just as there are thousands of recipes that will tell you how to make a good stew, so too are there thousands of recipes that will tell you how to perform a body detoxification. All of these recipes combine the natural remedies that should be taken at one time or another, but they all have the same general goals too. If you are wondering why a natural body detoxification should be done, there are also many reasons for it. In order to be successful with naturally cleansing the body, one must realize the total benefits that a detoxification can do for them. For example, throughout time and over the years as individuals age, their body and organs becomes full of toxins that are absolutely not necessary. These toxins live everywhere in the body and organs. They are hiding in the liver, the colon, the kidneys, the lungs, the bladder, skin, lymph nodes, as well as many other places throughout the body. Through a body detoxification, though, your body and organs throughout the inside of your body is completely cleansed. The detoxification methods are like having a total new person inside and out. There are also many methods for performing a total body identification as well. One of the methods includes digesting raw juices and foods throughout the day or week that you have planned your detoxification method. For example, there are plenty of healthy juices that one can buy in natural and organic health food stores. However, the best way to ensure that one is getting totally natural ingredients is to purchase them at regular grocery stores. By taking natural celery, spinach, broccoli, carrots, as well as different spices of one's choosing, these ingredients in healthy food should be combined in a blender to make natural juices. Fruit and vegetable juices, without the aid of any sweeteners like sugar, are the only types of juices that one should ingest during a detoxification. Other things that should only be included in the diet are soups of all kinds. Even though vegetable soup is the best way to complete a body detoxification, there are various other kinds of herbal soups that can be found in health food stores that will aid in a body detoxification. One should be aware, though, that vegetable broth is the best for a detoxification and should be used often. The only other thing to include in your detoxification diet is water. Water should be the only liquid, besides fruit and vegetable raw juices, that is consumed during the entire detoxification. It is actually recommended that one consumes at least a gallon of water per day of the detoxification, unless the detox plan is only 1 day. If it is only 1 day, then at least 1.5 gallons of water should be consumed. All in all, now you can see some of the very important reasons for performing a total body detoxification. These reasons, though, along with the natural steps towards a detoxification, will aid anyone with their total body cleansing goals.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.